Hi, Chris here for Tech and welcome to the channel. Well, today we are going to look at part 2 of PowerToys with File Explorer. So let's get started now. For those of you who doesn't know how to or where to get the Microsoft PowerToys suites, just look down below. I will post a link for the video I made last week about this and also how to install it if you don't know how. In the meantime, you know that if you want, you can as well, since you are there, like, comment and subscribe. So if you have not, make sure you watch our previous video about the subject. It will be easier for you to follow up on today's video, which is about none other than the PowerToys settings. And as last week we were doing the color picker here, this week we will do the File Explorer. As you can see here, it tells you that you need to run in administrator mode to modify these settings. They are all grayed out. The only things you can do is go to the overview module like so. But don't worry, there will be in the description down below a link for you to follow. Alright, so let's close this. How do I do that? If you watch my previous video, simply go to General, restart as administrator. Not to worry, this won't restart the computer, just the application. So I'll click here, click on the yes, and I'll restart the application here. As you can see, I know now that I'm running as administrator. If you use these options quite often, I advise you to toggle it on like this. Every time you start the application, you will run as administrator. Now we go to File Explorer and you can see that we can access the options. We simply have to toggle them on like so. Now I prepare some file for you to see what this does. I put it like so and like so. And here I'm using the Aero Snaps only, not the PowerToys fancy zone. Let me resize this, like so. Basically, those are some files that I selected for this demo. Like this, it will be easier for you to follow. Now, how do I toggle the preview pane? It's very simple. You go into View here and toggle on or off the preview pane, simply by clicking on it. And you have the pane appearing here. So as you can see here, I will disable the SVG, go in this one. This one, even when I toggle on the SVG, you won't be able to see a preview of the file. This is simply because it's a JavaScript file and is to prevent any script to run when you preview the file. So it's a security. That's why I put this and I prepare this. However, I know that this one here is also a SVG file, although it shows that it is a Microsoft Edge HTML document. Sorry. All right. So you can see there is nothing I can preview here. Now, if I toggle on the file and change, I can see what it is. It's an icon. So it avoids you to open the file and potentially messing up when, like this MD file that I choose especially for this demonstration, where there is no file extension. I mean, where you don't know how to open the file. MD, you don't know what it is and is not associated with anything, but now I can preview the file. If I toggle it off and I go, I have to exit, of course. It's not a live toggle, so you have to refresh the file if you want to. So here I cannot see, and here I can see it. So I hope that this was helpful for you guys. I know that I use this feature quite often. You can do your YouTube things, like if you want to. Subscribe, you may as well. Or you can also press the bell icon if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. However, if you do not like this video, simply leave a comment down below and tell me why it's so. I will try to improve for you guys. Stay safe and bye now!